Hi guys. Hey, wanted to give you an update on my B-17C that I'm doing. I'm doing it as a C version. Got the interior built. On the early models of the B-17, it had 4 seats in the flight deck. The 2 back seats disappeared later on when the top turret went in there. But they had 4 seats with a life preserver seat cushions, so those are in there. Got the instrument panel done. Had an instrument panel decal, luckily. Got the steering wheels. If you notice, the control wheels, they're wood. The center of them, of course, is metal. But the early versions of the B-17 up through the E, I believe, had wooden. The wheel itself was wood, so I had to paint that wood, make that look right. Got the bombs in, get the catwalk across, got that in. The back of it, there's really no detail other than the gun in the back side, or the side window. Of course, there's no tail gunner. This is the year back before they put the tail gunner in them. They did that later on when they got rid of the shark fin tail. But anyway, so the interior, that's all done. Got that finished up. Got all the windows in, and just getting ready to finish everything up. Got to put the 45 on that tail on the vertical stabilizer yet. Yeah, it's coming along. Gonna put the tail wheel in here shortly and glue both halves together, and then go from there. I got the wings pretty well decaled and ready to go. Got this other wing over here completely done, other than putting the engines and the props on it, and the landing light. Yeah, that one's done. So it's getting there. Not as quick as I wanted to, but want to make it look good too. So, but anyway, guys, just want to give you an update on that. And I haven't been posting much here lately. Just a lot of crap going on, but want to give you an update on this one. And next video will be a completed video, and that shouldn't be too far away. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and y'all be safe out there and take care. Thanks.